My name is Claudia Medeiros. In fact, it's Claudia Maria Medeiros. I come from Brazil, where I work as a full professor in databases and data engineering at the University of Campinas. But I also serve as a panel member in open science initiatives at the FAPESP São Paulo funding agency. And at the same time, I am a member of the Council of RDA and the Council of WDS.
Okay, so you're involved in a number of different initiatives, and you come to RDA wearing quite a few different hats.
And they all concern data, which I love, and I like to say that as long as there are new people are born, there will be new data, because even if it's the same data in the same world, every one of us looks at the world in a different way. So the way data is collected depends on how we sample it and how we need to sample it. Yeah. And each one of us brings a different perspective to data issues.
Yeah, so I mean, what you're pointing to there is the value and importance of diversity in data collection because of what it brings.
Yeah, it's the value, but it's also a problem because afterwards you have to conciliate all these different diverse ways of looking at the world to get value out of it.
Right, and so I guess another aspect of data is the ability to draw on different national contexts or different international experiences.
Exactly.
Yeah. So what's the value of something like RDA to the Latin American data scene?
Actually, what's the value of RDA to every kind of scene, but from the Latin American point of view, or even from the Brazilian point of view, because Latin America is not a blob that you look at and say, there's Latin America, the same as Europe is not a blob that you say, there's Europe. It's that the same way that we can learn a lot from all the new things that are developed at RDA, at all the years of expertise being brought to contribute to all people in all countries. Our countries in Latin America and South America, they have expertise in very many fields concerning data management that is applied to different kinds of data that sometimes are unique to our world, such as different kinds of indigenous data, biodiversity, some endemic diseases that only happen in some regions of the globe. And then we have experts that know how to recognize, collect, process, and deal with the data. But at the same time we contribute, and RDA contributes to our work, we build this data infrastructure and data governance and data management ecosystem that cannot survive without people. Okay, so, and that's something, we cannot think about data without thinking about people.